whale, and it looks like it has a really, really cool slide. Do you see that? And it looks like that elf already slid down it. That's so crazy. Well, let's see. They wrote us a note. Meads, we brought you the magic glove so you can touch us without losing our magical powers. Oh, I forgot about the magic glove. I'll put it on right now. This was the best Christmas gift ever. Okay. Now I can touch the elves. Now let's see, there's another note. Can you take us to the tippy top so we can slide? Of course I can. You each get 2 turns. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that did not work out so well. You want to try again? Okay. She's still smiling, so that's a good sign. 1, 2, 3. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can. If you can't do it, no one can. Go, babies. Come on. Oh, she's stuck. She's stuck on the slide. Come on, you can do it. Yes, you can. If you can't do it, no one can. Whee! Okay, now you want to turn? 1, 2, whee! Oh, that was a face plant. One more. 1, 2, woo! Oh, she's stuck too. You can do it. Yes, you can. If you can't do it, no one can. Go, babies! Woohoo! Okay, now, do you want to turn? I think she wants to turn too. She was at the very top, just waiting patiently. 1, 2, whee! Hip, hip, hooray! You want to go down one more time? 1, 2, whee! Yay! Okay. Oh, and look, they brought us slime too. Wow. Whoa, Biggie, did you guys see? Biggie just jumped off. I can't believe it. That is so, so crazy. Well, let's play with this slime. It looks like they brought us an itty bitty bucket and an itty bitty shovel with a cute tiny crab. It's so cute. Okay. Let's go ahead and scoop some slime into the, scoop some slime into the bucket. Well, that shovel's not working too well. Comment down below if you've ever tried to make a sandcastle out of slime. Okay. Whoa, it's really tricky, especially with itty bitty ones. Okay. Does that look good? Oh, it's kind of overflowing. Whoa, do you hear those silly sounds? Oh, okay, let's go ahead. Oh. Okay, that's the first, here's the first part of my sandcastle, right there. Okay, let's get a little bit more. Okay, let's put it in. Do you think my sandcastle is gonna look beautiful? I sure hope it's beautiful. Oh, yes, there we go. 2 blobs. I think all we need is 1 more blob to make 3 big blobs. Okay, let's push it on in. Boop, boop. Okay, now we should probably do some compacting. Okay, get in there, get in there. Ooh, that's perfect. I think that's gonna be the best blob ever. Okay. Here we go. I did it! It's the beautifulest sandcastle in the whole wide world. Wow! I can't believe it. Well, I sure hope all the little tiny baby elves of the world had lots and lots of fun being cute little tiny babies and spreading their cuteness to the whole wide world. And if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf.